Welcome! It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
In addition to the natural long legs, these supermodels in everyone's eyes must have angelic looks. But the supermodel we're going to talk about today not only doesn't have an angelic appearance, but because of her bald head and no teeth, she was sprayed like Voldemort. This supermodel is called Melanie Gaydos, and everyone calls her Melanie. Because of her genetic disease, congenital dysplasia of the outer cortex, she finally became a monster without hair and teeth. After growing up, the disease also damaged the skin development, and the final appearance was painted like Voldemort in Harry Potter. How this kind of ridicule affected her childhood can be imagined, let alone a lovely girl. But it's said that because of her defects, her family's been driven out of the house. Anyway, I can't blame Melanie. No one wants to be sick, right? The ridicule of the people around, in fact, the family's betrayal, is even more breakdown. Destiny likes playing with others so much. When she was tortured until she thought she would not live to be 18 years old, her boyfriend opened the door of angels for her. As a photographer's boyfriend, he took many photos of her. Even if she's become a model, Melanie's appearance is still an alternative among many supermodels. Gradually, Melanie's self-confidence is getting higher and higher, and because of her own characteristics, she's more and more accepted by everyone. Because of their unique looks, everyone says they are alien models, but this is definitely a compliment. Needless to say, Melanie looks, in fact, this photo is really beautiful. Although everyone said it was too ugly before, the photos were taken by others now are really beautiful. She was kicked out by her family, but now Melanie's able to bask in the sun on Sunny Beach and be sweet with her boyfriend. In any case, self-confidence is the most beautiful. Although she lost her hair and teeth because of her illness, she was driven out of the house by her family because of her appearance. But in the end, Melanie subverted the fashion world with confidence and changed the direction of everyone's aesthetics. Do you like Melanie like this? You're welcome to like and share and comment. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.